Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I am gonna create a Christmas look. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Prepping your skin is very important, and during this winter season you have to keep your skin moisturized. So I have been applying so many moisturizers and I am taking care of my skin very well just because of this season. So you don't want your makeup to look cakey, dry, so you have to prep your skin very well. So I'm gonna change my routine of starting with the makeup. Like I'm gonna use a few more things. I'm gonna use moisturizer and also few more things to prep my skin for a perfect base. And also I have few hacks for you guys. So yeah, if you want to know about it, stay tuned. So I have already washed my face with Himalaya Perfect Neem face wash. You can use any sort of face wash which you are comfortable with. After that, I'm gonna apply the Mamaearth Vitamin C face toner. I will mention all the links in the description box. You can click that link and buy your favorite product, whichever you like from this video. The next thing I'm gonna use is the serum. You must have seen in my previous video that I have made the serum on my own with the sheet masks. So you can watch that video. Apply a few drops only. If you keep it in the fridge, it will give you very cooling effect, so you can keep it in your fridge also. If you want to keep it outside, it's your wish. It's not like compulsory, but you can. I'm gonna use the Pond's Light Moisture Moisturizer. I also have one more moisturizer. It is a gel-based moisturizer. You can use any one. Both the moisturizers are very nice, so you can use any moisturizer. For this video, I'm gonna use this moisturizer, the cream-based. You should apply more cream-based products this winter. If you don't prep your skin, it's gonna break out, and especially in this season, you have to prep your skin. Even if you're not applying any makeup, you still have to prep your skin. And if you're applying makeup, then it's like highly recommended you have to prep your skin. Next, I'm gonna use the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream. I apply it every night, and I have even started applying before using makeup. With that, you know, your eye part is not dried. Like sometimes the eye part is also dried out, so you have to take care of that also. And on top of that, I'm gonna use my primer, Inside Primer. Okay, so about the hack I'm gonna try. In that, you have to use foundation. Take some drops on your hand. You will need sunscreen. It is the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture Sunscreen. Just put few drops only and put a bit of your moisturizer. And then mix it up. I am mixing it. It becomes a very creamy texture, which is good for your skin in this season. Wow, I wish you could see it from like very close. You won't believe the base it gave me. Like, seriously, please try this out and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you, because for me it is working brilliant. Then I'm gonna use the Fit Me concealer. Next, I'm gonna use the Fit Me powder, compact powder. It is a very pretty and a very handy compact powder. You can see a mirror is there, like such a clear mirror, and there is a plastic to cover it, and there is a puff. It is such a soft puff, and here is the powder. I have bought the shade Natural Ivory, and yeah, I'm gonna apply it. I can seriously see it so clearly from here. I'm gonna use the James Charles palette, and in that I'm gonna use red and golden shades, create an eye look. Let's see now how it comes out. I'm going to do the same on the other side. It's a Christmas theme, so I'm going to use red. After that, I'm going to apply the Swiss Beauty concealer. Then I'm going to use the Miniso palette, and in that I'm going to use a white shade. if you can't, handle the glittery eyeshadows on your face, you should apply like your eye makeup first, and then you can do your base. If you're comfortable with applying the eyeshadow afterwards, you can do it. And I'm gonna apply the red shade under my eyes too. If you're a beginner and you don't know, like you are very scared to apply mascara after you have applied your eyeshadow, you should take a toothpick and keep it this way above your lashes and apply your mascara, so that you can avoid applying the mascara on your eyeshadow and spoil the look. So yeah, you should definitely try it. And if you want to know like how I did it, you should check my Instagram page. I have uploaded a reel regarding it, so you can check it out. Apply a little on your bridge. I always say little, but I apply so much. Now the last thing is to apply lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm gonna choose my favorite lipstick. It's from The Body Shop, and the shade is NAIROBI Camellia 034. So that was it for today, guys. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.